The Supreme Court on Thursday fixed July 18 for hearing on a batch of petitions alleging irregularities in the conduct of NEET UG examination. A bench presided over by Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, suggested taking up the issue for hearing on Friday at the top of the list. The petitioner's side suggested listing the matter for coming Monday as they were served affidavits filed by the Centre and the National Testing Agency late on Wednesday night. However, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, the second highest law officer of the centre, expressed personal difficulty to appear on coming Monday and Tuesday. Ultimately, the bench, also comprising Justices J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra, decided to list the batch of petitions, including pleas seeking cancellation of NEET exam on July 18 on the joint request of the parties, noting that CBI has put on record the status report in relation to paper leak allegations. In its latest affidavit, the centre told the top court that the data analysis conducted by IIT Madras shows that there is neither any indication of mass malpractice nor a localized set of candidates being benefited, leading to abnormal scores in NEET UG examination held on May 5 this year. The centre said that there is an overall increase in the marks obtained by students, specifically in the range of 550 to 720. This increase is seen across the cities and centres. This is attributed to 25% reduction in syllabus. Moreover, candidates obtaining such high marks were spread across multiple cities and multiple centres, indicating very less likelihood of malpractice. The affidavit further said that after a comprehensive data analysis using the parameters like marks distribution, city-wise and centre-wise rank distribution, and candidates spread over marks range, experts of IIT Madras told no abnormality was found.